Where are we going now?
So we get the DNA out of there. We use that to clone the dinosaurs. All the pterosaurs, the mosasaurus, they actually reptiles. That's how we build them out. So all our dinos here that are the same species, they're more like sisters than they are mums or daughters. They're actually all the same animal. They're clones. We call them sisters. That's how cloning works. We're just making two versions of the exact same thing, rather than a whole family. And that's why all our dinos are girls as well.
Is that a baby pterodactyl, Sonny?
Pteranodon.
Oh, Pteranodon.
They'll be bigger.
Wow. Very cute, Sonny, isn't it, look?
I'm glad you think she is. A lot of people think she's ugly. I think she's cute. Yeah. I think she's cute. You don't think she's cute. You're loud, bro. You're not loud. I don't want to say the Pteranodons. I want the Stygimoloch. She's full pregnancy.
What do you do on these, Sonny? What do you do on these? Oh wow, Luca! Wowza.
Tell them to stay out. Tell them to stay out if they can.
Did he? Let's have a feel. Oh wow.
Short reach, so we want to keep away from that. She'll use this for headbutting when she's older.
Just wait a second, Luca. You have to wait for us. Stop, Pip. I know, Pip.
what is this?
Wow. What dino is it? Wow, cool.
That's what it looks like. And then a baby Ankylosaurus, which my tropical monkey is. That's what it looks like. Parasaurolophus. And then Velociraptor, it's cracked again. And then the Pachyrhinosaurus, that big one at the back. Big mermaid.
Let's show it the way, Sonny. Show it the way. Show us the way.
Can we get a picture with them? Yeah, so what does that make us? Do you know what kind of dinosaur she is as well? Ankylosaurus. Yeah, you've seen it before. What kind of dinosaurs are they you have? Wow. Scary one. Yeah, it's not right. What's your guys' favorite episode?
Stand down the side, let's get a photograph.
Excuse me, miss, if you back up for a second.
Ella. Ella.
This is not your turn. Bella, come here, minute.
Luca, move your T-Rex, Sonny. Say, Luca, say cheese.
Because you need to use the back of your hands. Our dinosaurs need to use the thing with your hand. Our dinosaur like that. Okay?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Some digging. Want to do some digging? That one.
Now, I need you to be very gentle.
Wow, look at me and say cheese. Say dinosaurs.
We want to be gentle with baby monkey. Be very gentle.
Luca.
Oh.
Oh my. Get her some berries. No.
Okay, guys, so
Go, Luca.
quick snack in about 5 minutes. This is your last chance to say hi to Bumpy. No poking in her mouth.
Just nice and light, Luca.
Okay, guys, we want to be gentle. Be gentle.
I realise.
What is fucking red?
Go. Did he just nip you, Sonny? Did he just nip you? Oh. let's have a look at these.
Check out
Let's get him.
To establish social norms and employment. These Pachyrhinosaurus are part of the Ceratopsidae family, the same family to which Triceratops belongs. But unlike Triceratops, Pachyrhinosaurus do not have horns. Instead, they split
You feeding it, Sonny?
these flat structures.
You feeding it? Yeah, 1 second. Once you go through there, you can't go back.
Can't eat that crap.
Stand there. What's this dinosaur called, Sonny? Yeah? Once you go through there, you can't come back, you know that, don't you?
Yeah.